Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Let's do a quick product review for Sprout Maker. Wash and soak the moth or matki overnight for about 12 hours in 2 cups of water. Alright, so I bought this Sprout Maker from Amazon. Let's do some product review. This is not a paid promotion, but I would like to try out this Sprout Maker. So as I mentioned before, I have soaked the moth, which is matki in Marathi, in overnight and in water, and I'm draining all the water out. So wash it a couple of times, soak it overnight, and then drain out the water. So these are 3 containers and I'm using the bottom container. I'm just adding water, just plain water. This is half full, so I'm using the top layer. Alright, so as you can see, I have the bottom container with water and this container. I'm also going to show you a result of the sprouts that this open strainer has, and then one with the Sprout Maker. So let's cover this and keep it for about 8 hours. Alright, so I only have 1 lentils to make sprouts from, so I'm not using these 2, so I've just removed it and using just 1 bowl with moth and covering it up. Alright, so this is how they look next day morning. This is method 1, which is just open strainer. Where I live it's summer, but and look at this beautiful sprouts in the container that I bought. So I don't see much difference in both the methods, but I like the product review of this product. Just look at the beautiful sprouts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye for now.